Donor Ministry gi Mityeng Makahada Nec Amadi Directorate of Education as Punna Khutsamnaduna Northeast State SINGGI MAHEIROI SINGGI OIBA Northeast Students Program on Awareness Reads and Knowledge on Space HAIBA Program ASIGI Northeast State SINGDAGI MAHEIROI CHAMA KHANGATPA manipur su tongan ba district SINGDAGI Government School gi MAHEIROI SING Bangalore da leiba Indian Space Research Organization ISRO da thaduna rocket saba amadi thagatpagi matang da interaction program ama saru yarunabagi damak taruk suba batch ki oina Imphal West amadi Wangoi Zone dagi Government School gi MAHEIROI taranithoi amadi coordinator oina oza ama yauna ngasi Bangalore gi damak pung amarom taba matamda Imphal thadokre MAHEIROI sing asina ngasi Imphal thadoklam dai da paumi singa unabada Directorate of Education as ki additional director na Visheshwar Khumukcham na phongdokibada Tim Nipan Thokna State ASIGI MAHEIROI Sing ISRO the Thariba program ASIGI Maru OIBA Pandamdi MAHEIROI Sing na tongan ba ISRO amadi Space Kilam da Lairiba Institute Sing da Lairiba Scientist Singa una handuna Makhoige interaction tau handuna Haurakliba MAHEIROI Sing da Space Science ki matangda awareness biduna profession oina chacha bayanaba program asi sinbani haina phongdoki
I hope this trip will be a wonderful trip and it will be a great opportunity to able to explore the ISRO centers. So I would like to thank the Ministry of Donor, Government of India and also the Government of Manipur.
SIGGI program je koi mami su any sparks and thole Northeast Key Students Program on Awareness, Reads and Knowledge on Space and HAIBA any sparks. Si program sim tawri se koi na tim nipan thona thagadabni tim manga thakre ngasi na taruk sugani moise Bangalore chalaga ISRO ge light oiba aduga halaga moida chatluriba adu myamdana moida kitang influence tawraga space science de interest la aga moi gisu sigi sida professional ina chatning ba ngang yawra pra haiba interest spark tawna hona jabni